In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Font Awesome Figma plugin. This tool is incredibly versatile for designers needing quick access to a range of icons while working in Figma. Let's get started. First, navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many of us are already familiar with. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and click on the login option. You'll want to ensure you're logged in to access all the features and plugins Figma has to offer. Once you're logged in, head over to the home section. This is usually the starting point where you can manage your project files or explore new design inspirations. Next, we're going to focus on starting a design or opening an existing one. Look for the design option and give it a click. This will open up the design panel where all the magic happens. This panel is your gateway to creating new projects or jumping back into one that you've previously been working on. Now let's dive into incorporating the Font Awesome plugin. You'll want to find the action menu within your design file. The action menu is where you can find and execute various tools and plugins. Once you're in the action menu, use the search bar to look for Font Awesome, type in Font Awesome and the search should bring up the plugin you're looking for. When you see Font Awesome icons, click on it. This will open the plugin interface, allowing you to browse through a wide variety of icons that you can easily incorporate into your design work. Icons are a great way to add visual interest and functionality, so having quick access to them is pretty convenient. The next step is to run the plugin. You'll see a button labeled Run. Go ahead and click on it. This action will initiate the plugin and prepare it for use within your design workspace. It's a seamless process that integrates directly into your Figma environment. Finally, once you've selected the icon you wish to use, click on Apply. This is the finishing touch, as it places your selected icon directly onto your design canvas. From here you can adjust the icon's size, color and positioning to fit your design perfectly. The Font Awesome plugin makes it simple to integrate quality icons into your projects, enhancing usability and aesthetics. And that's it. With these steps, you've learned how to navigate and utilize the new Font Awesome Figma plugin. By integrating this into your design process, you can streamline your workflow and enhance your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and detailed guides. Happy designing!